did turn it all the way down.
Gate. That's off the gate.
Yeah, that's gate. Hey.
Guys, so they're about to put Woody's truck on the dyno. How much power do you think it's gonna put?
Probably like 600.
Pero ahora cómo le vas a hacer para you disengage it, right? Yeah. That's gonna be crazy, güey.
Hey, this is all your idea. I wasn't even gonna put it on the dyno.
Oh.
Not today. I was gonna wait for the week, pero
that way everybody can look at
for the show, huh?
Yeah.
So what we doing out here?
Guys, so this is a private. It's not a private meet. It's a north side movement meet. Times private. Private is another car club, and yeah, it's gonna be lit. Ahorita se va a acercar todos a mirar el pinche dyno pool.
Hey, everybody's gonna know my numbers.
No pasa nada.
It's alright, we turn it up later.
If I could disengage the four-wheel drive on the TRX, I would put it on there too. Yeah.
Yeah. Where at, bro? Front?
Thank you.
Go, bro. Here.
Ready? Hey, what's up, bro?
Who's this? Alright guys, so we're getting the truck on the dyno. Damn, Ricky, what happened? I thought we were leaving. Hey, let's do it another week, during the week. Why?
Because you're never going to come back. If it don't happen now, it's never going to happen.
Guy. Alright guys, I guess we're going to put it on the dyno. I wanted to wait to do it during the week, but I don't know, we'll see what happens. Alright guys, Freddie's got a meet going on out here. Yeah, boy, you're doing it big over here.
Hell yeah, a bunch of cars. This is different.
Yeah.
We used to all the trucks coming up. Now it's gonna be all the cars pulling up.
Man, it's crazy, you know?
Like you cross body, got a piece and got a dance, but it's really on some street.
What do you think it's gonna make?
At least 500.
At least 500?
Yeah.
I'm cool with that.
It's a 480. That ain't big. 287 cubic inch. That's nothing.
What do you think, Ricky? What do you think?
See how much it makes. It's badass though.
It looks clean, you know.
Yeah, I like how it turned out.
Yeah, it looks really clean. Not bad for an eBay catch can, huh?
Not bad, man. All those fittings, I thought you spent like $200-300 on that thing. Oh, Chris getting down, literally.
Boy, getting down. Look at that. He wants to see this bitch on the dyno.
How long has it been since I told you?
Yeah?
How long has it been?
Well, I had to fix all this stuff. Luckily, my boy Ricky and Darwin helped me out.
I've been telling you to bring it in.
Here's this guy. Thanks to you. Hey, this is all your fault, bro.
You got the crowd, cause look, that fucking 300 came in. The crowd came over here. I'm like, what the hell?
We gotta put something on here that shoots flames though after you let off.
I got you. That 300. I don't know if that 300. I don't know. This shit was insane though. And then you know we got the two stands.
What do you think it's gonna make?
I think it's gonna make 850.
Nah, man, it's like 600 pounds.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah, I'm not gonna make that high.
He did it one time.
How does this make almost that?
No, it's because I
What do you think it's gonna make?
Hell yeah. This one, 800.
Nah, I don't
More?
think so. Less.
You think so?
Yeah, it reads really low. Yeah, but we'll see what happens. Hey, but either way, we're gonna be ready for Texas.
Oh yeah, TX2K.
What do you think, man? Ketchup?
750.
Close to your GTR, no? Probably.
You can't touch my car. I'm pushing 1500. Stock everything.
Alright guys, so we're getting on the dyno. We're getting everything ready because obviously it has to be a certain way. You know, the truck can't be crooked or anything like that. So they're fixing it. My boy Ricky, or Chris over here fixing everything. Make sure the truck is aligned, right? That's what we're trying to do?
Yeah, it's a little too much to the passenger side. We want it to the driver's side.
Okay. We'll let them do that. They're the experts. So we'll see what it makes. Everybody thinks it's gonna make really high numbers, but I honestly think it's gonna make 600. So I mean, hopefully it makes those high numbers, and yeah, we'll go from there. What do you think, Danny?
Man, you have a whole crowd over there.
I know, bro. I hope it makes a good number. Hey, this is my first like real dyno on this truck, and then to add the pressure of the crowd, that's crazy.
Did they take you over with like a street, huh?
That's a street truck, straight up. You see the catch gun? Look at the way I did the catch gun. Me and my boy Ricky got down there. All breathing.
What's your password? Hell yeah.
It's good, huh?
Hell yeah. It looks clean.
Yeah, it looks really clean. eBay.
Bro?
eBay, yeah. 60 bucks. Shit. It was good, man.
You dropping a video on that one?
Yeah, dropping a video on that.
Hell yeah. To go on the OBS.
And it came with all the fittings.
Oh, for real?
All the hoses también. For 60 bucks.
Damn. That's a good price.
So now I got the matching catch can. Matches the coolant tank, and yeah, everything is gonna be black in this truck. I'm gonna do the black turbo and then the black Holly high ram with all the black piping on this one too. Yeah, I think it's gonna look pretty cool.
I like
Oh yeah, boy, Chris Hayden. Man, look at that, one out there. Man, it's on fire out there. That's crazy.
They got a bonfire going on.
Ready?
Go ahead.
No rush, no rush. What's your magic, Chris? Alright guys, we'll see what it makes. I'm a little nervous.
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that? Perfect. Print it. Print it. Nah, I downshifted. I gotta fix that real quick.
Oh, okay.
I gotta make a quick nano file for
Hey,
that.
was that good though?
That's alright.
That's right, huh? Shit. Alright, so Chris got to fix the transmission shifted. But yeah, y'all seen what I made, almost close to 600 on the first one, so that's pretty good. I like that. Honestly, I thought that's what I was gonna make on the final tune. So yeah, we'll see what happens. NA power.
Very low boost though.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's right. We did turn it all the way
Off
down.
of gate. That's off of gate.
Yeah, that's gate.
Yeah, the RPM read right on this one.
So it's good now?
Yeah, it's good now. This was the first run.
Like, raised that one.
But it hit a pretty high fucking. It went like 160.
So how much boost was that, Chris?
Give me 1 second.
Let me see the
So that was on gate pressure, so that's just pretty much what I'm making on gate. So that means if the boost controller wasn't working, I think that's pretty good. What do you think? That's pretty good, huh?
That's pretty good. Turn it up.
Turn it up, yeah. Now we're gonna turn it up. Mames, what the f is that?
Man, this whole tripping.
The truck's tripping?
No.
This run was literally f***ing 6 pounds.
6 pounds?
Yeah, it went lower. You see what I'm saying? This wasn't completely off.
So now it's completely off.
Completely, like if you lost this.
Alright guys, I don't know what's going on. I mean, I'm not a tuner or anything like that, so we're gonna try to figure it out. Hopefully Chris can explain it to me, but I don't know. We'll see what happens.
That was 6 PSI.
6 PSI?
Literally.
So I made what? 300 horsepower? That's 6 PSI.
6.
That's not bad.
That's on no boost. Remember how f***ing slow it felt when the boot popped off?
Yeah.
Literally was.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that day. That's what happens.
Hey, there's no oil on the floor either, so that means that the catch can't help him with the new seal. Hell yeah.
Alright, so what you find?
Alright, so now they turned up the boost. We're gonna see what it really makes. That one it just made 447. It was going up and then it went down. So I don't know, we're having some issues. So we're having some issues, guys. For some reason the truck is making power, and then all of a sudden it's dipping down. We're having issues with the boost controller, so we're gonna see if we can figure it out, or maybe look up on some forums and stuff like that, see if we can figure out the issues with the boost controller. But yeah, for some reason it's taken away from what it is, and you know, hopefully we can get the max power we can get from this truck. So we're y'all just be patient, and man, hopefully we figure it out and get some real good power. What do you think, Danny? Sounds good though.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Yeah.
Definitely can't go tires.
Alright guys, so I think they figured it out. Hopefully I think they turned it up and we're gonna make some more front boosts. finally figured it out. Now we'll be able to turn it up. Alright guys, they finally figured it out. So now we'll be able to turn it up. As you can see, the way on the graph, it's all going up now. So that's what you want to see on the graph. I'm gonna let Chris leave him alone, let him do his thing, and we'll see the final numbers.
But it shifted, like when he was at the top end, you could hear it like lug back down and like pick back up.
Oh, for real?
Just seeing how the car reacts with the dyno and stuff. Making sure everything corresponds. See what you can change.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we made it back home finally from the shop in one piece. The truck made it back. It did good, guys. The only thing, we were having issues with the boost controller. I will be upgrading my boost controller, and then we do want to get a better spring for the wastegate. That way we can, I guess, control it better. But other than that, guys, the truck is doing really good. Big shout out to my boy Chris, Darwin, and Ricky just for helping me out with this truck to the way it is right now. Like I said, I was leaking a little oil. My boy Darwin helped me out. We did those pulls and it did not leak at all because we did go ahead and add the catch can system to add better. Here, I'll show you a little bit better about it. So there's the catch can. This is where we put it together, and then they pretty much loop back that way. And yeah, one goes connected right there, and the other one's connected in back of the valve cover. But yeah, big shout out to my boy Ricky, helped me out with this. I think it came out really good. Looks super clean, nice and neat. And then, like I said, we're not leaking anything. We did put a gasket also on the thermostat. We did all the things that pretty much would prevent it from leaking anything. I hate to park my truck and have a little oil drip or a coolant leak or something like that. I mean, I just don't like that. Like I said, we did make some pulls and I checked under the truck. It was completely dry. So like I said, big shout out to those guys for helping me out. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see how it goes. But this is gonna be it for now. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.